We saw a few raindrops today and maybe a little bit of sunshine too. This photo actually came in yesterday from Ron, and this is out in Grants Pass. A beautiful sunset yesterday. I couldn't show it yesterday because we got so many rainbow photos. If you recall, this time yesterday we did see a beautiful rainfall right on our Skycam network. And as we head into tomorrow, we could see a few more rainbows because, well, more rain is on the way. Today wasn't too impressive though. We did see about a trace of rain in the Medford area, but nothing really measurable, about half an inch in North Bend. Further to the south, the biggest totals were in Dunsmuir and Happy Camp, about 1/8 of an inch. Buncombe, Down reports about 1/100 of an inch. In Rouge, Ed reports about 1/10 of an inch, and Nancy out in Prospect about 2/10 of an inch. Wonder, Kit and Charlie report about half an inch of rain. So that was where we saw the most rain in the Jackson and Josephine County, at least where our reporting stations are and where our spotters are located. So today our temperatures were just a few degrees below average for this time of the year. With the wind, it sure made it feel a little bit more cold out there. As we head into the day tomorrow, temperatures will be a couple of degrees warmer, but it's going to be windier, so you probably won't notice a difference. It is going to be a lot rainier though, especially at the coast, and the strongest winds will be where we typically see them, at the coast, the higher elevations, the east side, and especially around the Shasta Valley. But even in the Rogue Valley, we'll see breezy winds. Temperatures back in the 60s as we head into the afternoon as a warmer air mass moves into our region. So right now, just a few isolated showers out there, pretty light, mainly in the Cascades and the Siskiyous and at the coast. Most other areas are relatively dry for the time being. That's going to change pretty soon though. This low pressure associated with this cold front right here. I want you to follow the clouds. Cold air, warmer, warmer, warmer. Tropics. This warm air is moving in from the tropics, tapping into subtropical moisture. That means two things: a lot more moisture and higher snow levels. So really not worried about travel problems for the higher Cascade passes. We did deal with that this morning. We won't be dealing with it tomorrow because we're mainly going to be seeing rain. When we put the Stormcast into play, this is clearly picking up on too many rain showers right now, but as we head into the morning hours, we will start to see that rain arriving around 9 o'clock, expecting to see that rain really start to pick up at the coast. And then it spreads inland, and then as we head into Friday morning, this is 9:45 in the morning, that's when the rain really arrives, especially at the coast, the Cascades as well. But here's the valleys. You can see it's much lighter here. So our valley locations will see what we typically see when we get a lot of rain at the coast. We will see lighter rain for the valley locations. However, at times, we could see moderate rain. At the coast for tomorrow, rain expected heavy at times and windy conditions. Also in the Shasta Valley, very windy here. Could see gusts up to 35, maybe 40 miles per hour, especially around the Weed area. In the Klamath Basin, we will see those winds increasing through the afternoon and evening. Rain also will be increasing. It will arrive at the coast overnight tonight into the morning and then spread inland during the day. Mainly rain for the mountains, as those snow levels will be fairly high, around 6,000 feet. And for the Rogue Valley, we'll see rain increasing as well. Breezy conditions for us here as well. At the coast, we'll see a chance for isolated thunderstorms. Actually, all areas will have a chance for isolated thunderstorms on Saturday, but showers will be tapering off through the day Saturday, and really only expecting a few isolated showers on Sunday, a little bit more sunshine as well, but that's short-lived as another storm arrives as we head into Monday, bringing more rain and wind. Most of that system as we head into next week will be along and west of the Cascades, so I only have a few isolated showers in the basin next week. In the mountains, higher snow levels Saturday, then they drop Sunday. But by then, we're really just dealing with a few leftover lighter showers, so travel problems should be fairly minimal. And for the Rogue Valley, Sunday we'll see a few isolated showers as well as on Saturday, but also that threat for thunderstorms. Of course, when you get thunderstorms, you can get a lot of rain, gusty winds, and small hail, but if you're not in a thunderstorm, it should be fairly light on Saturday.